Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty. I am back in Annatown Square checking up on this beautiful home right behind me. As y'all can tell, we're getting close to the finish line, so let's get inside and take a look on the updates so far. This one is built by Pulte and it's the Mooreville plan. Let's go take a look. All right, last time I was out here, they were pouring your driveway, so I wasn't able to give y'all a good look at the brick. So I wanted to take a minute and do that before we step inside. And as you can see, they have already graded your lot, so they are getting ready to do landscaping very soon. And then what we want to see with this grading is we want that dirt to be clearly sloped away from the foundation. So let's go walk on some dirt together. So this right here, we want all of that dirt clearly going away from the house because we don't want any water pooling at the foundation. So that looks great. And then you can see they're getting ready to add your fence right here. So those fence posts is where your fence is going to be. And this brick is a really pretty choice. I know I said it in the last video, but it looks very beautiful. I love the warm undertones. I've really been seeing in design lately, people are leaning more towards warm tones. I don't know if y'all have noticed that, but definitely think people are getting away from the super cool gray and white everything. So I like that this one's a little bit warmer. And we also have your sconces at the garage. So we do have light fixtures inside, so I'm gonna give y'all a look at those. And we're going through the garage because the front is locked. All right, look at this beautiful house. So I know that we are coming in from the garage, so I'll walk over to the front to give y'all the full experience. There we go. So here is your entryway light fixture. Very pretty, and then we have another one right over here. And something else to point out since I was here last is they did fix the baseboards. They had the wrong size, so they paused for a minute to get the right ones in here. So you'll notice that those are now how they should be. So that's great. And they've painted, they've added hardware. I love the black hardware. Nice big closet. And I think all of the floors were done last time, but we do have this bathroom just about finished. So we have our vanity, light fixtures up here, as well as the toilet and then the tub. I love all of the black fixtures. And then this one is just a coat closet to my right. And we have up here on the right, formal dining room. Here is a look at that light fixture. So black, kind of modern, very pretty, very elegant. It adds a little something to the room, but nothing too far out there. And then let's go take a look at the study while we're over here. So study, we have a continuation of the flooring, ceiling fan, and then they fix the baseboards as well. Really pretty doors. And I'm sorry I'm sniffling a bit. I've been sick for a while. Here in the laundry room, we have our sink is about done. So that's great. A laundry room sink is very nice to have. Big selling feature. I've had a lot of people ask for that. I've had some clients who have said that they won't even bother looking at a house if it doesn't have that. Because it's so nice if you're washing the dog or you have dirty shoes or dirty hands coming in from working on the lawn. All right, so let's take a look at the kitchen. So as you can see, we have all of our light fixtures done. So we have a ceiling fan over in the living room, and then pendants right here above the island. Here is a look at the granite, which is so pretty. Just a lot of different colors, kind of some creams, browns, blacks. And then the black sink, which is so cool. Y'all, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I love it. I love the contrast with the lighter cabinets. And then the black faucet looks so nice. And it's something that you don't normally see, so it's a little bit different. I think it's really cool, and I hope my sellers or my buyers are excited, because I know one of them was. All right, over here, this may look bad. When you're walking through a construction site, you'll see things like that, and you know, it's getting taken care of, so we know that they will get it fixed. So don't be alarmed. They're already on top of getting that taken care of. But if you are going through the process of building a home, that is something that can be scary if you aren't expecting it. And then we do have a crack in the granite right here. So my client actually caught that first, but the builder was already on top of it, already has it ordered, so they'll get that fixed as well. But very pretty, love the cabinet color. All of the colors in the kitchen just tie together so well. And that black sink is so cool. I love it. And we have great natural light in here. So here is our breakfast nook. And we have the patio door with the built-in blinds. Those are so helpful. Definitely worth the upgrade if it's an option for you. Just because otherwise you'll hear the blinds when you close the door, or you know, they just make a noise. Not super easy to use. So those ones are great. Here's your yard, nice big space, and you can tell you'll get some shade in the evening, which will be really nice in the summer. And very private because of this retaining wall back here. We have that big fence. And then you will see these pipes in the retaining wall. That looks like drainage. So that is not going to be normal drainage. That'll just be essentially kind of like an overflow. So water won't be flooding my client's yard, which is something I've had some people ask about. So I just wanted to clear that up. And then I believe it also has something to do with getting oxygen back up into the dirt above the retaining wall. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what I was told. All right, so living room, we have a nice big fan in here. And then paint touch-ups, they'll of course get all of that fixed. And then we'll come back and do the final walk where we'll mark things with tape that need either texture or paint to be fixed. We have that same granite in here. And then the primary bedroom. Nice big windows, ceiling fan, a lot of space in here. And then they got the baseboards done. The paint is looking really nice. I love this color. In here, they're almost done with the tile, so we're just missing a little bit right here. But they'll add a piece there, and then they have done the whole shower, the tub splash. So just needs a few touch-ups, but we are definitely making great progress. Looks really nice. There is the water closet in there. And then I believe this was already done last time I was here, but I'll give y'all a quick peek at the closet. Lots of storage space. And this is just a really pretty, relaxing bathroom. I love the calm colors. White countertops in here. And then we have the black hardware, black faucets. light fixtures, and then the frosted glass window for privacy, which is very great. I probably say that every time, but definitely worth it. Nothing worse than having a clear window right above your bathtub. So let's hop upstairs, and we shouldn't have a ton to see up there quite yet, but I still want to show y'all. So let's go take a look. This is a great floor plan, so much space. I am super, super excited for these sweet clients to get to move in just about a month. So this right here is the game room. So lots of space up here. We have a ceiling fan. And then of course they're wired for a TV to go on the wall. Baseboards look good. Paint, they've come back through, so that looks great. And in here we have the wall sconces. Hopefully y'all can't hear me breathing hard. My goodness. Being sick just takes it out of you. Then we have 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom in the middle. So here is one of them. Gets a little bit of evening sunlight. Or I guess afternoon. I don't know, what time is it? It's 4:30, so that gives you an idea of the kind of late afternoon sunlight that y'all are gonna get in here, as well as access to the attic up there. All right, then we have another bedroom over on this side. This one also gets some good sunlight being on this side of the house. Nice little view of what's going on around the neighborhood. Big blue skies. This one is also ready for a TV. We have those in all of the bedrooms as an addition. There's a look at the closet. All right, and then the bathroom real quick. So in here we have that gray tile, if you can see it. And Pulte does have a light above the shower, which is so important because some builders, they, don't always put a light above the shower. Maybe just taking the most cost-efficient option. But then you don't realize till you're living in the home that the house is dark when you're trying to take a shower at night. We do have the lights above the sink, just missing the cover for that one. And then the same white countertop with all black accents. All right, y'all, that's it. Let's go catch up on the back patio. All right, y'all, that is it for this tour. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. To my clients, y'all have a beautiful home, and I'm super excited for y'all. And to everyone else watching, if you are wanting to buy or build, I would love to help you, so reach out to me. And until then, y'all stay blessed.